Hello my friends. Welcome to Avanzate brand store on YouTube channel. I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel first. See and read the description below. Buy now. You will get it safely and quickly. Go to Amazon links and Aliexpress links. And buy now. The 12 items I present to you below are. Let's go to product.
With the Aircross 2, Moza introduced a powerful, lightweight gimbal, bringing seamless cinematic shots. It's time to refresh your cinematic motion with the new Alpine White Edition. With a 3.2 kilogram payload capacity and just 950 grams, the advanced built-in features will enroll your creative ideas like never before. Combined with the SlidePod E, you can extend your point of view for a better dynamic perspective. Moza Aircross 2 is capable of supporting most mirrorless and DSLR cameras on the market. With the L mounting bracket, you can easily switch to the vertical shooting mode. Get amazing scenery with the improved Inception Mode 3.0 with automatic rotation, speed control, and angle mode. Defining a 3000 mAh high-capacity battery for up to 12 hours of shooting. The Moza Aircross 2 supports dual-focus motor system. With a switch of a button on the smart wheel, synchronize both zoom and focus, make easy dolly zoom-like videos, and nail the perfect focus. With the additional 1/4 and 3/8 screw hole mounts, you are able to mount additional accessories and ease your shooting. Combine the linkage control function on the Moza Master app, seamlessly linking the Aircross 2 and SlidePod E for amazing robotic moves, time-lapse shots, and track recording motion. Mimic your smartphone motion with the Mimic control. Get a more precise gimbal movement. Switch from the Aircross 2 to the SlidePod E with the quick release pan tilt head. Three-axis lock design with a refined Alpine White touch and own USB-C charging interface. Moza Aircross 2 Alpine White. The new Moza family member.
Read the description, buy the products. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell.
At DJI, true innovation is seeing the bigger picture. Every iteration is the culmination of all that we do to bring you the very best. Here's everything you've been waiting for and beyond. This is Mavic 2. The aircraft comes in two new editions, Mavic 2 Pro and Mavic 2 Zoom. Both cameras utilize DJI's latest 3-axis gimbal technology, ensuring smooth, stable footage in any situation. Mavic 2 Pro commands a powerful 1-inch sensor, offering you greater image quality with superior light and color performance. Co-engineered with Hasselblad, the new camera houses an adjustable aperture lens for more control over your lighting environment. Capture stunning aerial photos at 20 megapixels with extreme detail. Mavic 2 Pro supports a 10-bit D-Log M color profile that yields higher dynamic range for more flexibility in the grading room. Mavic 2 Zoom is all about dynamic perspective. With a 2x optical zoom lens, it offers greater safety, efficiency, and more creative opportunities. The 48mm focal length compresses your perspective, enhancing the parallax effect for a classic cinematic look. You're able to punch in quickly for a tighter shot, even from 100 meters away, keeping a safe distance from your subject. Don't be fooled by its size. Mavic 2's zoom lens is powerful, constantly adjusting to your commands for seamless zoom control and autofocus tracking. This keeps your subject clear while you focus on framing. Mavic 2 Zoom gives you access to dolly zoom for an otherworldly warped perspective. Both editions record 4K video with an advanced H.265 compression, so your images retain even more detail. Speed things up in a dynamic aerial hyperlapse with the simple tap of a button. 4 different modes give you a variety of shots for any time-lapse situation. Mavic 2 also supports enhanced HDR photo, an improved technique that blends a sequence of photos for greater dynamic range and image clarity. It wouldn't be a Mavic if it couldn't go with you anywhere, anytime. We kept that same foldable design and tweaked a few things that make a world of difference. After countless hours of research and testing, Mavic 2's refined chassis and low-noise propellers make it DJI's most advanced aerodynamic aircraft to date. These subtle yet powerful improvements give you a smoother, quieter flight for greater discretion when the situation requires. Mavic 2 extends your creative potential with up to 31 minutes of flight time and a max speed of 72 kilometers per hour in sport mode. The all-new OcuSync 2.0 provides a 1080p transmission signal up to 8 kilometers, so you can edit full HD footage directly from the cache on your mobile device. 2.4 to 5.8 GHz auto switching offers better performance in environments with busy signal interference. For the first time in a DJI drone, Mavic 2 boasts obstacle sensors on all sides of the aircraft. Its digital nervous system continually transmits data to a new, more powerful central processor. The aircraft analyzes every inch of its surroundings to move around obstacles without stopping, so you can focus on capturing the perfect shot. When you have a need for tracking at high speeds, stay fully immersed in the action with ActiveTrack 2.0. Aided by its vision systems, Mavic 2 maps a 3D view of the environment for greater accuracy and tracking up to 72 kilometers per hour. Trajectory prediction algorithms also help to maintain course when your subject is blocked by an obstruction. DJI goggles users can enjoy an enhanced experience with a clearer video feed and lower latency. When it comes to portability or quality, small details or the big picture, your vision or reality, Mavic 2 brings the best of both worlds. So you can explore the outer reaches of your imagination and create content that truly feels out of this world.
Read the description, buy the products. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. buy the products. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. Description, buy the products. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. Read the description, buy the products. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. Read the description, buy the products. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. Read the description, buy the products. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell.
Hey guys, Ryan here from RØDE, and in this video we'll be going through the feature set of the all-new VideoMic Pro Plus, the latest addition to our category-leading on-camera microphone range. The VideoMic Pro Plus builds on the existing platform of the RØDE VideoMic Pro, one of the most popular on-camera microphones in the world, but adds a whole bunch of handy features designed to allow the shooter to have the ultimate control over the audio right at the capture point. One of the most important things with any on-camera microphone is isolating the microphone capsule itself from the handling noise of using the camera and moving it around. To achieve that, we use one of the world's best microphone suspension systems, the RØDE Lyre system. It uses an advanced thermoplastic that will never sag, snap, or break, meaning that you can confidently put the microphone in and out of your gear bag without ever having to adjust the shock mount. It's one of the best suspension systems in the world for actually reducing handling noise while you're operating the camera, making sure that your audio is always crisp and clear without having any low frequency rumble caused by the shooter themselves. Now the VMP Plus has a removable connection so that you can easily use the standard TRS connection designed specifically with DSLR or mirrorless style cameras in mind, or you can replace it with any of RØDE's growing range of adapters such as the SC7 cable that's designed to allow you to plug the microphone directly into a smartphone or tablet device. Now on the back of the microphone you'll see the all new digital switching arrangement. The digital switching of the VideoMic Pro Plus has enabled us to add a whole bunch of additional features to the microphone, all within a very small space. First of all, we have a two-stage high-pass filter. Enables the operator to decide what kind of level of attenuation they want to apply to the audio signal coming in. A couple of good examples would be setting a 75 Hz high-pass filter to cut out traffic noise that's getting into the shooting space when you're shooting indoors. Or if you're at a trade show, for instance, and you're shooting spoken word with somebody presenting to camera, you might engage the 150 Hz high-pass filter, helping you to cut out any of that unwanted sound outside of the human frequency range and enabling you to capture a much cleaner audio track. Of course, you can also switch the high-pass filter off so that you have a flat frequency response without any attenuation in the low-end frequencies. Now on the right-hand side of the microphone, we have a switchable 3-stage gain control from plus 20 dB to minus 10 dB or even 0 dB. The minus 10 dB pad enables you to record very loud sounds without overloading the input of your camera, and the plus 20 decibel feature enables you to turn down the noisy preamp on most DSLR and mirrorless style cameras and run the microphone nice and high so that you get crisp, clear audio on even cameras that don't have the nicest audio circuit. The digital switching arrangement on the back of the microphone has also enabled us to add a couple of cool features that are switchable by pressing multiple buttons at the same time. The first of those is a high frequency boost designed to enable you to change the sound characteristic of the microphone to add a little bit of brightness in the top end. It can be very handy, for instance, in an environment where you've got a lot of background noise and you're trying to pick out a voice directly in front of the camera and add a little bit of presence to that sound. To engage the high frequency boost, you simply press the two bottom buttons at the same time, and you can see there that the LED is changing to let you know when the feature is either on or off. Now another very handy feature for the busy run and gun filmmaker is the safety track feature. If you press the power and level buttons at the same time, you can see here you can engage or disengage the safety channel on the VideoMic Pro Plus. The safety channel makes use of both the left and right channels that are available on almost all cameras by attenuating the right-hand channel by 10 decibels so that your audio is never overloaded. Now the VideoMic Pro Plus has 3 separate powering options to make sure that you're never on set without power for your microphone. First of all, if you open the captive battery door on the front of the microphone, you can see that the VideoMic Pro Plus ships with the all-new RØDE LB1 lithium-ion rechargeable battery. The lithium rechargeable battery ships with the VideoMic Pro Plus and will power the microphone for over 100 hours. Now, charging of the LB1 battery can be achieved by simply leaving the battery in the microphone and plugging it in via micro USB. The micro USB port can also be used to power the microphone in standalone mode. So if you've got a separate power bank on your rig, you can simply plug the microphone in and power it for long periods of time. And in the rare event that you've forgotten to charge your LB1 battery and it's actually run out of power, you can remove the LB1 and power the VideoMic Pro Plus with 2 standard AA batteries, the most commonly available battery in the entire world. Now there's nothing worse when you're shooting than forgetting to turn your microphone on at the start of a critical take, or even forgetting to turn the microphone off at the end of a shoot and running your batteries out while the microphone is sitting in your camera bag. To combat that, we've got the automatic powering function where the microphone will automatically switch on when you turn your camera on. It achieves this by detecting plug-in power from the audio input on your camera and telling the microphone to switch on. When you turn the camera off or unplug the microphone, that plug-in power is no longer detected and the microphone will automatically switch off after just a couple of seconds. The new VideoMic Pro Plus also features a new sealed windshield design to make sure that you always have the best protection for your microphone in light wind environments directly out of the box. There is also a synthetic fur windshield available as a separate accessory for any high wind outdoor environment. So there you have it guys, that's the new VideoMic Pro Plus from Rode in detail. If you've got any other questions, please hit us up on Twitter @RØDEMics or visit rode.com.
Read the description, buy the products, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. Read the description, buy the products, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. Read the description, buy the products, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. Read the description, buy the products. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. Read the description, buy the products. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell.